Hello everybody, good afternoon and welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cash register, run a cash register, could I say. So what you want to do first is put in all of the prices that you're going to be using. So you go like that, and then $6.99. Let's go with a $7.99 item, and then let's go to that with that, and then we got $5.45, and then when you're done overlaying up all of the items that they have, you just hit that subtotal, and then there's your total right there, and then let's say that you just pay out of 40. And then you hit this button right here, the big button, and there you go. That's how you run a sale, run that there. You can actually bring in items. If they're bringing in items, you can actually run this like going 5.45, and then bring in multiple items. And then you go, and then hit back, and then you go like that, and that takes off $2. That takes quite a few off, and that's a discount sale right there. So, and then you hit, and then you go like that, and then they just pay it like that. So, all right. So now let's say if it was a bigger item, you go like that, and then hit subtotal. You go to 50.13. Okay, so let's say the first one is going to be $13 off. And then they have a $4 coupon that they're going to be using as well. And that's it. Alright, so that goes to $31.51. So, there you go. And so now what we're going to do is now they're going to be paying out of a credit card, which is the CH, that's card holder. So, and then you just hit, when the thing approves, you just go like that, and that's it. And that's how you ring up the sale. So, it's pretty simple. Pretty straightforward, guys. So, this register is a pretty straightforward one. So, anyways, guys, if you guys did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you guys do not miss any other videos. So, anyways, that'll do it. Take care.